Fairfax County Fire and Rescue Department is here today in Gum Springs Recreation Center to give free haircuts to the kids to get them ready for school. We have local barbers volunteering their time. We also have firefighters that were barbers in their prior life volunteering their time as well to give the kids free haircuts to get ready for school. We know if the kids look good, they're going to feel good. And in a couple days, we're also going to give them free backpacks. So now they're going to go to school and they're going to do good. We're making it a fun day for them. We have a moon bounce here for them today. We have a clown doing face painting. We have miniature horses here for them today to see. When we're not running 911 emergencies, we're trying to find other ways to get out into the community and help the community. But this wouldn't be possible if we didn't have a lot of support from our local businesses and people like that here in the community. We just want to make sure these kids go to school, do a good job, grow up, be decent human beings.